There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Challenger RT in pitch black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and rear cross-path detection, LED split tail lamps, black one-piece performance spoiler, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, sport mode, split folding rear seats, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5852A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.